Hey, what's up guys, it's NRS Films and today we're going to be telling you how to make a cannon out of an old glue. Well, firstly we're going to tell you what you need for the ingredients. First you need a permanent marker, some scissors, some sandpaper and some sticky tape. Now these are all really old things, but we're just going to show you what this thing can transform with these 4 very little items. So, we're just going to start off now. So, firstly, we've got the glue here. If I quickly get on my what I call really messy desk. Here we have the Pritt and here we have sellotape. Now, what I'm going to do with the sellotape is this. I'm going to what am I going to do? There we go, so what I'm going to be doing is this. I'm going to be, you know sticky tape in some movies? You know how they like remove things? You know, like they just put sticky tape on your face or something, just like remove marks? Or like on classic pottery, so you got like a massive spot there. And it like just happens, just like that, you know what I mean? So, here we have a piece of sellotape. And what we're going to do now is we're going to lie down on the floor. Sorry guys, this is not really the best view for you. So I'm going to put it down on there, press it down as hard as we can. We'll leave it for a few quick seconds. Take it off. Oh, no success yet. Soon enough, it's going to be ready to go. Now, this is the lightest sticky tape I've ever really got. So we're going to have to leave this perhaps for a little while. Just remember, if you're really interested in this, I want you. Now, I'll just quickly leave that there for a few seconds and I'll be back in a quick minute. Now guys, I've got a quick mission for you. Now this is my very first video. So, I want to see if you could subscribe to my channel. Cheers. If you have already subscribed. And also leave a like. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. If you have now subscribed and liked, or even if you wanted to comment, cheers. This will really help a lot. So we've left that. Let's see how it works out. Hard as I can. And nothing. Right guys, well, I guess that leaves the sticky tape gone then. Looks like our next plan is to use the scissors. So here we have the brand. I'm just going to start scratching it off. Oh, look at that, that actually works. I'm just going to quickly scratch a bit of the content on it. I'll never really do this on your own, but luckily I've got permission to. So that's good, eh? Sorry about the noises. If you don't really like these noises, please do turn it down to mute. Okay, you can now turn it back up again. There you go. It's actually working. So guys, that is the thing scratched off. But I'm really sorry that I'm just having to go through all this. Because you know, like, you're going to have to watch me do this. So, how do I actually get off this bit? Now guys, what I would recommend is not really a Pritt stick, because you like have to rub off the brand. I'm just going to go and compare it with another one. If I've got the two. Now, after this project, I'm going to tell you what to do with an old broken pen. Right here. Turn this pen into a squid. Like iBallistic squid. But please do, guys, give him a subscribe if you want to. Cheers. So you can already see the mess just building up on there. Oh my gosh, it's actually scratching my own desk. Don't worry, this thing has gone through way more hardware stuff than this. Oh yes. So, as you can see, guys, just scraping off like we're all madmen here. Oh, come on! This thing can work. This will work. This will work. It will work. It shall work. Yeah, look at that section there. So look at that, guys. All nice and white. Oh yes, we're now being called in for the drill. So guys, I'll be with you guys in one very quick minute. Be with you in a moment. Just have to pop to the loo. Oh, so much better. Sorry about that, guys. You can always see the dust I'm just making with the stuff. So you can probably see why now. Oh, I cannot get this thing off the print stick. Well, now you see why now, eh? It's plastic. It's not like that other brand, Classmates, where it's just a little label. You can see scratch off the barcode. Very important that. It's like walking into a shop and just carry this around with you. Plus a little mini cannon. You're gonna need to get scanned, eh? So it's always good to take off the barcode, because also it just looks like somebody you just bought it and looks like you just cheated. So always good to make it yourself. Oh my gosh, so much work doing here. Yeah, so that it is. Half of that we got to do exactly all that same work again, but just on the other side. So, but if you really, guys, if you just want to like, oh, so boring, why don't you just go and get a permanent marker and color it in? But it's got to be inside one direction. You see, I'm just going to have a quick highlighter. See, it gives it a nice little neon colour, but you can still see the Pritt stick. Rub it off. If you rub it off, it gives it that little light. I don't suppose you guys can see it, but I'm sorry. It's not my fault. Let's try now actually the other way. Oh, that really works. I'm sorry guys, I'm like bringing you all into this massive commotion just for this little piece of plastic. But if you look at that right from afar, if I cover that up, it does look plain, but if you up close it a bit perhaps, you can see that it's, oh look at that, it's all like dusty. Oh my gosh. You can see this, the most tough bit is this. Now guys, I want you to give me some tips on how to get this bit off. Because this bit's going to be the challenge. Because that bit's going to be the mechanism. Now, really sadly, we're almost at the end of our video. We've got like 5 more minutes left. Oh, I'll clean that up later. Gosh, look at that! Oh, look at that! Oh! Look at all that mess! Oh, look at that mess over there, yeah? Almost done there, guys. Almost done. I wish that my sticker tape was actually stronger than this. But I'm really sorry, guys, I haven't put you through all of this because I just don't know how to speed up the video. Oh yeah, guys. Also another thing. If you could you please tell me on how to do that? Because I really need to speed things up a bit because I'm just taking you through all of this. And you're having to wait for the whole video, which is showing you what this is, stage 1. There we go, look at that. But don't worry guys, still got loads more Pritt sticks. And soon when you'll start running out, I'm going to do these all again. And I'll always showcase them once every while and Pritt stick on what ideas I get. It's during the middle of my school lessons, when I'm in my, like today when I was inside my Spanish class, I was fiddling with my glue too much and I thought, hey, why don't I make a cannon out of this? I thought about it and I was really determined to do it almost all day. I even got distracted in my lesson and I just thought, oh, I just can't wait to get back home. And here I am at home, just doing the work. Boy. It is really, really difficult. But seriously, guys, I will be doing more videos like this too. Well, guys, if you guys know what 5 Minute Crafts is, I want you to check out their channel and give them a subscribe. They've given me inspiration to do these videos. Also, subscribe to Yuri Oyster, the King of Random, Kolinsky, and all those brilliant channels who have brought me right into this. And of course, my brother. As I'm just slowly digging into the flesh of this thing, it's just difficult. Oh my gosh, look how much commotion of dust there is. Gosh. Now, luckily, we don't need to worry about the solvent-free bit because then it's just too long to do that little bit, and it's already not scratching up. Hang on. There we go, I did it. Look at that. Almost all done. Although sadly that's came to the end of our episode. So I'll see you a little later. Bye! Subscribe.